ChatGPT is changing the way we use internet. What is ChatGPT and how does it work? I'm going to explain in this video. The full form of ChatGPT is Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Well, ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI. OpenAI started in 2014 and later they launched ChatGPT in November 2022. It is a text-based AI system which replies you from the data taken from internet. Whenever you ask a question, they reply you like a chat, like WhatsApp. We do chat. That's exactly how does ChatGPT work. So this is how ChatGPT looks like. Its dashboard. You go to chat.openai.com/chat. You will have to sign up. You will register yourself with your email, and you will be able to open this. So these are the examples what you can do with ChatGPT, and these are the capabilities of ChatGPT, and these are the limitations. For example, explain quantum computing in simple terms. You can ask ChatGPT, and it will answer you accordingly as per the data taken from internet. And got any creative ideas for a 10 years old birthday? You can ask different things like if you are like planning an event or something, you can ask that you need some ideas, and it will give you few ideas. How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? So in this chat gpt you can also ask about the coding. You ask chat gpt to write a code for you, and it can do that for you. So one good thing is that it remembers what we were talking. Like in chat, we do remember that what we discussed in the earlier message. So it also remembers what it answered and what did you ask. So you can ask follow-up questions similar to your earlier query. Allow user to provide follow-up corrections. Trained to decline inappropriate request. The good thing, also another great thing is that it can decline your inappropriate, illegal, unethical request, or you ask something which is stupid. It will answer you accordingly, and it may not, it will just decline your request. A few limitations: may occasionally generate incorrect information because it is a bot and it is generating content itself. That is why. May occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. For example, if something written some very specific content about some topic, so it will obviously be tracking that data and give you biased content because there is no competitor writing about the same topic. Again, it has limited knowledge of the world and events after 2021. So it has data since for 2021, and after that it is not updated. So it is obviously in production mode or in process. It will be let's see how does it happen. So these are the chat gpt dashboard, and this is how do it work. But before that, we should know its history and what is going between ChatGPT, Microsoft, Bing, and Google. When ChatGPT launched, it got millions of visitors in just few days. So after a few days, Microsoft decided to buy some shares of ChatGPT and use ChatGPT in their search engines like Bing. When Google saw that ChatGPT is changing the way how people search about their queries, about their information they want, so they decided to come up with their own AI system. Recently, they launched their own AI system like ChatGPT, which is called Bard. So let's see how ChatGPT works. Well, ChatGPT works on prompts. We, guide ChatGPT to act like something, someone, and it gives the data accordingly. For example, if I'm going to ask a few ideas, I'm going to give its prompt act as digital marketeer. Now it will respond and it will tell how it will help me as a digital marketer. Then I will ask, give it a task, some task, and it will write something for us accordingly. Create a of checklist of SEO audit, and it will give a detailed checklist how to do SEO audit and which are the major parts to do in SEO audit. You see, it's writing. It has started writing. Okay, and the good thing is that it remembers, as I told you earlier, that it remembers the previous chat. For example, if I ask something in this points, if I ask what is keyword research explained as, explain thoroughly or briefly, and it will explain accordingly. So you can just ask another thing, another thing, another thing, and you can just create chat and chat and chat. So here you see the new chat option. So in one chat, I'm gonna ask it to act as digital marketer. In another chat, I'm gonna ask it to act as a developer, and it will write code for us. Let it complete, then we will go to new chat. Okay. So it has like 7 points, and it has some bullet points as well, and it is also saying that by following this checklist what you can do. Okay, so I'm gonna go to new chat and act as a developer or coder. Developer, let's say developer. Write a code of how to make content bold. So it is gonna go, writing HTML. You see, it has started HTML code as well. You can copy code and exactly you can just click here and it will copy the whole code. This content is bold and surrounded by the strong. It also, explains what is this and how you can use it. Okay. So again, you can just give prompt and ask anything you want from Chat GPT. If you want to write some article, let's say if I ask act as content writer and give me some ideas of content about the trending topics in 2023. Let's see what it tells us. So, sure, here are some content ideas about the target trending topics in 2023. So these are exactly the trending topics. The rise of electric vehicles, indeed a trending topic. Okay, and the future of work with the pandemic changing the work. Exactly, the freelancing and everything. It has covered in that. You can create content around that idea. The impact of AI, of obviously the Chat GPT AI, and its impact, how it will overcome whole world things and everything. It is giving you the idea. Sustainability and climate change, yes. So getting the point, you can just ask anything from it and it will give you ideas. Remember, AI or Chat GPT is here to help us, not to make our lives complicated, but to make our lives easier. So if I need any ideas, let's say if I'm a YouTuber or you are a YouTuber, you're watching, you can ask different content ideas that you want to create video on. You can also ask the script around it. It will write a script for you, and you just make some changes and you are ready to create a new video. There are so many people doing it already. And also, if you need some ideas related to your field or out of field, if you're a mother, you can ask how to make my baby sleep longer. And if you are the sportsman, and you can ask different exercises, it will tell you everything. Just um, there are a few limitations, as it has data around 2021 before that, and it is not updating as it should. But yes, they are working on it. It's in the process. So we'll see many other things in near future on ChatGPT. So yeah, with ChatGPT is not just for writing content or writing different techniques. We can also develop different tools using coding, develop different checklists, develop different strategies for our business, develop different proposal to let me again, let's ask it act as business developer, business development manager. Okay, then I will ask it to write a proposal for SEO services for construction company. So it will just write, the complete proposal. Dear client, because it understand, I will have write the name, and it's introducing itself as a construction company. Then it tells the advantages, and then it lists down the service details which will be included in the proposal. And then let's see. I hope it will write about some pricing. Then it will write conclusion. Then it will end. Okay, are we confident? Okay, it just give conclusion, and it also put the call to action button. And again, okay, so this is how you can write different proposal for your target audience, for your clients as well on Chat GPT. So use Chat GPT for your own benefit. You can ask different things, you can develop different techniques, and you can just get customized things done from ChatGPT, and it will work like virtual assistant for you. Also, I just saw one video. I'm going to share in the next video that how to create ideas for content here on ChatGPT and convert those ideas into blog posts or into social media posts using Canva. So I will do that in next video as well, and I'm going to explain how digital marketers, are affected by this Chat GPT. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, or comment, and give your feedback so that I could improve my videos. Bye bye.